Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Feel free to press the subscribe button that's down below and also the bell notification so you guys are notified every time that I post a new video. Now for this video, it's gonna be pretty quick. I just wanted to sum some few things up. I did make a previous video. I'll link it in the eye, or I'll put it in the description bar down below if you guys want to check that out first. But it was basically just me doing like just a chit chat and just packaging lip gloss things with you guys. And I happened to mention that I am like gonna stop doing lip gloss and stuff like that, and that I had some base left over. I'm sorry you guys, I'm looking mad crusty right now. I'm looking so crusty, but I just had to come on here and make this video real quick because I didn't know it was gonna be that much people asking for it. But like I said, I did have a few lip gloss base left over, and this is how it looks like. Let me take my face out of the focus, but this is the amount that's left. This is basically half the bag, if not more than half the bag left. I had it left, and then I just happened to mention that I am gonna be I'll be giving it to whoever like wanted it. Like I said, it's pretty sanitary. Nothing really got into it because, like I said, the top of it is very like secure and stuff, so not that much stuff got in it and stuff like that. So like I said, you don't have to get this. That's if you want to. You can use this to practice or anything. I know that we have a lot of crazy shit going on right now, and a lot of and it is harder for like people to like get bases for lip glosses and stuff like that. And even for TKB trading, I've noticed that they hired their prices very much a lot over the past few months, and that's only because obviously lip gloss is getting more popular and stuff like that, and I guess they realized that, so they hired up their prices. So if, like I said, if you guys want this base just to either practice, or you don't even have to sell it to people, if that makes sense. You could use it as a form to practice. I just don't want to have it here and just to waste if someone else could use it, which brings me back to what this video is about. So I just, like I said, I mentioned it in the last video, and a lot of people was actually asking about it. Like, I didn't know that much people like wanted the lip gloss base, and a few people also messaged me through my Instagram and stuff. So so it was really hard for me to actually just pick one person, so I decided to just make it a whole separate video. So I really wanted to give to people who actually support my channel and actually watch my videos and stuff like that, and not just give it to any random person that just happened to come across my page and don't really support me. And second off, I actually want to give it to someone that actually is gonna use it or in need of using it. So that's why I wanted to make a separate video. So that's what brings me to right now. I know this video is all over the place, but that's besides the point. So first, really all you're gonna have to do is just make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I don't want to give a whole thing of lip gloss away if you guys are not even supporting me or are subscribed to my channel. So first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I can actually tell if you're subscribed because we do have a subscription list, if you guys don't know, and I can actually check people's names. So first, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's about it. And second off, in the comments down below, just let me know what you're gonna do with the base, or basically what you need it for. Like, are you gonna use it to practice, or are you gonna use it to, because you can't order any right now and you have orders and stuff like that? Just let me know in the comments down below, so it could be easier for me to actually pick someone to give it to. I know it's not that much, but come on now, you still can get about a good either 15 to 25 tubes of lip gloss from this amount of base, and that's all depending on how big is your base, how big is your lip gloss tubes and everything. I'm sorry y'all, my hair is like bugging me, but yeah, it all depends on how big your lip gloss tubes is. But you can make a good 15 to 20 to 25 lip gloss with that base, so that's still a good amount. So that's literally all you have to do. Just make sure you subscribe, and in the comments down in this video, make sure you tell me why you want this lip gloss. Any reasons, like, oh, I just wanted to practice, I just wanted to fulfill an order. Just let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I know a lot of people did comment in the previous video, but to make it like more easier, I can use those too. But if you want, you should just make sure you do it on this video, so when I am choosing, you'll have a better chance on like getting it, because I am going to be checking on mainly on this video people who commented and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically it. Do I have anything else to say? No, that's basically it. So just make sure you subscribe and tell me why you want the base. And this is gonna end at the end of this week, because I don't want to make it too long, because just in case like we do get into full quarantine and I'm not able to ship it to you guys. So by the end of this week, either Friday or Sunday, I'm gonna announce who wins it in the I'm gonna pin it in the top of the comments. So make sure you guys come back to this video either Friday or Sunday, come back to this video to see who if you happen to win the base or whatever. And I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.